guys. This is an alcohol-free teeth whitening kit. Alcohol-free teeth whitening kit. You get 28 teeth whitening strips, 14 treatments, 1 teeth whitening pen. It's alcohol-free, less residue, less saliva, free taste, enamel safe. Ooh. Okay, that's the teeth pen. Teeth whitening pen. Alcohol free. And then you have these here. Teeth whitening. It gives you a chart so you can chart your progress. Can you? You can chart your progress. You can chart your progress. Teeth whitening kit. You peel and apply and wait. Smell bright. Wear for 30 to 45 minutes. Remove upper and lower strips from back or upper lower. Out! I hurt. I can't do it. That hurt. Okay. You said, hurt. Uh, ah, it hurts. Ow, it hurts. Oh my God. Uh, this doesn't come with it. I had this from my game. alcohol-free teeth whitening kit. Care Her. 28 teeth whitening strips, 14 treatments, 1 teeth whitening pen. Thank you for watching my video.